Hi guys, so today I will be showing you how I secure my molds to the backing for them to ultimately become keychains. So just sit tight, enjoy this video. I'm just showing you some of my shapes that I have. I have hearts, I have a teddy bear over there, just preparing some of these for shipping and to be photographed and everything. So I have to apply the backing, so that is what this video is about. So just watch and see. All right, so I'm moving all of that out of the way. So it's a mixture of the resin and the hardener. Here is the resin. Sorry, you cannot really see that, but it's okay. You will see the important part. All right, resin, I'm gonna mix that with the hardener. There is the hardener. Sorry, I was so confused on where I was pointing. All right, so I'm just gonna mix those together. I'm gonna get a mixing cup. It's measured off. It has all of the markings. Here we go. All right. All right. So I think now I'm looking for my stirs. Pretty much I stir the mixture with. Let's see. All right, there we go. Yep, it looks like popsicle sticks. They are popsicle sticks, I guess. They're great for mixing. I love using them. So now we're just gonna pour, and I'm just using a little bit, like a little, like I try to use the tiniest bit because I feel like I waste a lot of resin applying backing, and I was just like, let me just do a few drops, one big drop. All right, so here I go. Let's see. All right, I'm like, wait a minute. I decided to use a cup because I didn't really have to use accurate measuring for what I'm doing. So I'm just going to use this regular cup. I bought a bunch of those because my mixing cups, it was just doing a lot. All right, I'm just going to add a drop of this. A big glop of this. All right, did it go in there? There we go. All right, I think I got the right amount. There we go. A little goes a long way with this stuff, you guys. It's a 2-part mixture. So, and then I'm just gonna get some of my hardener and pretty much do the same thing. Did it do it? There we go. All right, I'm just gonna mix this up. All right, in here I'm adding a little bit of some acetone, strong acetone, like nail polish remover, to a few Q-tips, just in case I gotta clean up some little minor messes. I ran out of my big bottle of acetone, so I grabbed a nail polish remover that was like acetone, so I used that. All right, here are the backings for the keychains, you guys. I have different colors, as you can see. Let's see, they're actually in the shapes of hearts. It's so cute. It's so cute. And they're like silver, gold, brass, I think like some like silver black tarnished looking ones or something. But anyways, I pretty much just take that, check out the sizing, see where I'm gonna place it, and I just flip that over. My gloves must be too big. Flip that over, add a little bit of resin with my mixing little popsicle stick. I just put a little drop on there, a little dab. Twist that around and you just place it right on there. It does move a lot. Don't think it just automatically adheres. No, it slides a lot. Then I go back in and just put like another drop on top of it just to secure it, because it gets really hard. It's made out of the same thing the keychain is made out of. It gets really, really hard. So I definitely wanted to use that to secure anything to my keychains, to definitely secure the backing so it lasts longer. So that's just gonna move. So you have to place it somewhere and let it harden, somewhere really safe and secure where it will not be moved or bothered. here you can see that one already started to flip up and I had to add more. Don't get it confused, guys. You will have to watch these. They may lift up depending on what shape mold you have used, just depending on the object and how it's, you know, moving around. So yeah, you can see I'm working on that one to secure it. All right, I think it's good. You guys can see that on there. All right, I'm just gonna take a different one. I'm just gonna pretty much repeat this process. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just gonna, some of them I apply the resin just strictly to the heart, but you'll see that. But I just don't want to take all the time me talking, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch it. Just enjoy it. Just enjoy me chilling, finishing these. If you guys have any questions, just comment below. But don't forget to like, definitely comment, and definitely subscribe to this channel, guys. I will be putting up a lot of videos on just how I just simply prepare my things from start to finish, even through the selling process. But yeah, thank you for watching, and just keep enjoying this video and just see how I'm going to finish these bad boys off. Thanks, guys. Bye.